Welcome back to Code 3 Rewind, where we bring you real stories of law enforcement in action. Today we take you to Buffalo, New York, where New York State Trooper Anthony Nigro was just found not guilty in a high-profile manslaughter trial. The case stems from a deadly encounter following a 100-mile-per-hour pursuit through city streets in 2022. In this video, you'll see the moments that led to the fatal shooting and hear what the court decided. Viewer discretion is advised.
First, not guilty. That's the ruling in the manslaughter case against State Trooper Anthony Nigro.
Get the fuck out! Get out! Get out! Go away. Dude, get out! Get out! Get out! Nope. Get the fuck out! 7415 Buffalo. Shots fired. What's your location? Get out of here! Get out of here! Washington. Washington Eagle. Shots fired. Send an ambulance. Driver's been hit. I'm fine. Jason? Yeah. He's dead. Yeah. Just one? Yep. So you're okay? Yeah, I'll be good. Okay. 7415 Buffalo. 7415? Everybody slow down. It's okay. Driver's deceased. We need a tow truck from the supervisor. But slow all units down. Copy last. I'm out. 745 copy. We're allowed to the scene. Where's your car? Down over there, if you want to grab it. Yeah, I'll bring it over. Yeah, and then we'll just block off the intersection. So we'll hit up that one and that one. Yeah. 3715, where are you? Oh, we're bad, you.
Thanks for watching Code 3 Rewind. If you found this story informative, make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more law enforcement footage and case breakdowns. Stay safe and stay informed.